Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this frontal bonding tutorial. So this is basically going to be like a new thing on my channel. I think I'm going to call this like the client series. So I did spray her hair down with some spritz and I put on her black cap. I like to use double caps and it is a good idea to put paper underneath the client's hair just to protect it. So I did put some wrapping paper underneath that. I'm going ahead and cutting off her ears, well, around her ears with the cap, and I'm just using some basic scissors to cut around it. So I did go up to cut her scissors, but I usually like to cut around it with a lace. It just lays way more flatter and gives it a real bald look when you use a razor instead of scissors. So that's what I'm doing, and I just use the scissors to cut off the thick part of the cap. So now I'm going to have her hold each side of her head, and I basically like measure the lace frontal on her head, make sure it lines evenly, and then I cut off her ear tabs. Finished cutting off her ear tabs, I'm gonna go ahead and part her hair in the middle. I'm going to be doing a side part on her, but I always part the hair in the middle. This just helps me to apply the lace evenly. So now I'm going ahead and cutting off the lace. You guys always ask to see how I cut it off, so there you have it. I'm going to be doing 2 layers of Ghost Bond lace glue. I like to do the top piece first, and then I'm going to go left to right, and that's just how I'm going to be applying it today. Now I'm just going ahead with my second round. And now the glue is dried clear. I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply the lace. And as you guys can see, this lace instantly just melted in her scalp as we went. You can see a little bit of the white parts because some parts aren't as dry. But I do put my lace on while it's really wet, but not too wet where it's still crazy white everywhere. That will give you like a real nasty tacky look, and you guys want to make sure you guys are pressing it in lightly if it is super wet. And now I'm going to begin to do her earpieces. I'm going to do her left tab and the right tab. So now I'm just pressing it in and making sure everything is fully laid down. I'm about to put her side piece down. So now that everything has been put on and everything has been fully dried, I'm going to go ahead and begin to part her hair. I'm using the Care wax stick. Yes, y'all, I'm taking it back. It's been a while since I've used this wax stick, but I did go to the beauty supply store and find it. So yes, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin using my baby hairs toothbrush to carve out and start her baby hairs. And for the gel, I'm going to be using the She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue, and that's what I'm using to do her baby hairs. And you guys will see me using this big piece of sideburn, but when I lay it down, I do realize that it is way too thick. So I am going to carve out some hair and just redo that baby hair. So now I'm just going to continue this same routine going in with my baby hairs as I go and do the left side of her head. So now that her baby hairs are finished, I'm just going to be rubbing some oil on them. That's just so they don't get flaky and hard. And now I'm going to just begin to sew the frontal. I like to sew the frontal and the cap together. I don't know why, but that's just what I do. So I'm going ahead and sewing that together and tying it with a knot as I go. Now I'm basically finished sewing it, and I'm just going to be taking my Got To Be spray and spraying her hair. I did spray some spritz earlier, so I'm doing rounds of spritz and Got To Be just to get everything prepped underneath to protect her natural hair. So now I'm going to just begin putting her track, and I'm just going to go along her hair. Nothing too crazy or anything too difficult. I'm just going to be measuring it and then gluing it down. And now I made it to the top of her head, and I'm still gluing on a little bit of tracks. All I did was just glue around her head, guys. And I'm using West Kiss hair. This is 3 bundles of, well, 4 bundles, 2 bundles of 32 and 2 bundles of 30 inches and a 20-inch frontal. So I did spray some Turn Up the Heat protection spray on her hair, and I'm going to spray that all over her hair when I do begin to flat iron it. Right now I'm just parting out through the hair and blending the tracks with the frontal with my hot comb. So I went ahead and filmed her hair flattening off camera, but I did film me flattening her frontal. So I'm just going in with my I think it's called the Nano Conair Titanium Flat Iron, something like that. But I have it listed in the description box. And I'm just going along and pressing that out. And I'm going in with my hot comb as I go by, just so it can have a flatter, seamless look. So I went in with some heat protection spray right before I did this last chunk. And this is basically how her hair looks. I'm going in again with my Care wax stick. And I'm going to be reparting her hair with my comb, which was also sent to me by West Kiss Hair. Shout out to them for the comb. And now I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just slicking that part down and laying everything together. Her hair looks so sleek and nice. I'm now going to be taking a makeup that is 2 shades lighter than her, and I'm just going along her part. That is just basically perfecting her part. And then I'm going back in with some more oil. I did run it through her hair and I brushed her hair out just so y'all can see everything looks on fleek. I'm taking my hot comb, running that through. Alright, y'all, so here's the final look of her little side part. Y'all, this hair was so cute and long on her. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out West Kiss Hair for some bomb affordable hair. Bye!